this evening we're making some cornbread. What you need to do is preheat your oven to 450. I'm using a cast iron skillet. It's about 8 inches across. You're gonna grease this really well and you're gonna put it in your oven for about 10 minutes. Okay, then in a bowl, you're gonna whisk an egg and you're gonna add 1 1/3 cups of buttermilk. And mix this up. And you're gonna add a 1/4 cup of Crisco oil liquid. Then you're gonna get 2 cups of self-rising cornmeal mix. You need 2 cups. And mix this in. Here's 1. And as soon as my iron's hot, I'll be back. Okay, my iron's ready. What you're gonna do is pour the mixture in. You want that sizzle noise. And put this back in for about 20-25 minutes at 450. And I'll be back when it's done. Okay, the buzzer just went off for the cornbread. Just let it cool for a few minutes, cut around the top, and enjoy. I want to thank you again for subscribing, sharing, liking the videos, and I'll be back tomorrow with something new.